Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Yellow color. The next one is red color. Now we use green color. The next one is blue color, brown color, and the last one is black color. Kids, now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we use yellow color. Now we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cat. C for cat, C for cow. The next one is D. Now we draw D. D for doll, D for dog. The next one is E. Now we use red color. Kids, now we use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. Now we draw F. F for fish. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. We again use red color and now we draw I. Kids, the next one is J. Now we use J. Now we use blue color and draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw M. The next one is N. Now we use green color. Now we use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Kids, now we draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. We again use green color. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. Kids, now we use brown color and draw R. Brown color. Now we draw R. The next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw S. And the next one is T. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. We again use brown color. V for van. Now we draw W. Black color. Now we draw W. W for wolf. And the next one is X. X for X-ray. Now we draw Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.